What up, guys? Live Eventually, checking in. Nice to meet you. So today we're going to tell you guys businesses you should start during the recession. Not going to waste any time. We're going to get right into it. You want to start an e-commerce business. So here's essentially how it's going to work. Let's say, for example, you find a manufacturer selling a product. Let's say t-shirts. You're going to get the t-shirt for $5. Then you're going to sell that product to your audience for between $25 or $30. And the margin in between is yours to keep. But not all of that margin is yours, because with that margin you want to use that to market, advertise, buy more product, hire influencers to help grow your brand. So e-commerce is a great business to start. And it's fairly easy to do as far as getting into it, low barrier of entry. There's companies like Wix, Shopify, where you can start your website and market to your audience, and you can go from there. And with you starting at such a low margin, there's low barrier of entry, so there's low risk, right? So you don't want to essentially, let's say, flip cars, right? Cars are going to cost you more money. Let's say it costs at least $5,000 to get in, and hope you sell the car for a profit at, let's say, $10,000 or $15,000. So this is why we want you to start with e-commerce, the drop shipping model, or Etsy store, or something along those lines to get you started.
Another great business to get into is video editing. Being a video editor or content creator, someone who helps other businesses achieve promotional goals, advertising goals, and marketing goals, is that you can do this from the comfort of your own home. You can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have some kind of storage, online storage space where your client can send you this content and video work. And from wherever you're sitting or standing, you're able to edit this content and then send it back to them, get feedback, and provide them with great promotional work, marketing material, or advertising material. Being a video editor is not easy at first. It's going to be difficult to get your footing and things like that, but once you get going, you'll be off to the races. You'll be able to show your clients all the work you've done in the past and how you're progressing, and that is how you establish relationships, and then you grow as a video editor. It also pays very well because you're able to set your own prices and also your own hours. So being a video editor has its benefits.
Here's something to consider, guys. So think about it like this. Imagine 10 to 20 years ago, there's no way you could be a video editor on your own will and merit. Now, with the advent of the internet and social media, you definitely should take advantage of it. So here's a scenario to get you started. So let's find your favorite content creator on YouTube, Instagram, whatever. Pick a couple of their videos, make a montage of their videos, whether you edit it up, adding effects, or just making it better, and send it out to them. Hey, just want you to check this out. Tell me what you think. And there is your chance to get your foot in the door. Something easy, something simple, and don't be afraid to do it. Don't just do it once and then quit. Every day, find 10 to 20 content creators, create some content, send it out to them, email them, DM them, TikTok them, whatever, and get your foot in the door. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to get told no. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. So video editing should be your next choice of business you should start during the recession. Alright guys, another business you should potentially start during the recession is an affiliate marketing company. So essentially all affiliate marketing is you recommend a product to an audience, the audience buys the product using your link, and you get a commission. You don't have to handle any customer service issues, you don't have to handle the product, you just recommend it, they buy using your link, you get paid. So for example, let's say you enjoy using cameras. You recommend your camera. So for example, let's use cameras for example. You like taking pictures, you like taking photos, doing photography. You use a set of cameras that you feel are very, very helpful and useful to your career. You take that camera, you recommend it to others within your photography community, and then they buy using your link, and then you get the commission from it. So that's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. It's a great way to make some extra income during the recession. You're helping others, you recommend it, and you're also helping the business grow while recommending. So it's a win-win for all. So affiliate marketing is something you should look into. There's sites like ClickBank where you can go on there and see what products fit your niche, what you like to use, don't like to use, and then you identify the audience where you can potentially raise awareness. You can raise awareness by writing blogs, doing video reviews, blasting on your social media. So this way, you show people you're interested in the product, and then they become interested, they click on your link, buy, money's in your bank. Very simple. Alright guys, another great business to start is a marketing agency. Now, like we always say, if you can bring more business, say that 10 times fast, then you'll continue to be in business. Why? Because you are helping the business continue to do business and continue to grow during these tough times during the recession. So, for example, let's say you start a Facebook marketing agency or a Google marketing agency or a TikTok agency. We recommend that you kind of stick to just one. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. So figure out Facebook, figure out Google, or figure out TikTok. Pick one of those three, or even email marketing. Can't forget email marketing. Then you want to present it to a business that may be struggling or may not be doing so well. Now, of course, to start, you can't charge a great amount of money. So you want to build up a portfolio of your process being successful. So for example, once again, simple. Identify small businesses, local businesses within your community, and help them become more successful and continue to stay in business. Build that portfolio up, then you can take it out further to a new set of businesses, and then that will help you continue to grow your business. While you're building your portfolio, then you start to hire out, look for workers on Fiverr, Upwork, and that's how you scale your business. But just to start, initially, pick a platform to learn. Facebook, Google, or TikTok, or email marketing. Identify businesses that need your business, whether it be chiropractors, dentists, small coffee shops, whatever. Identify those who need your service, present them with the opportunity, show them that you are capable. Start off minimum. You can work on a commission base, or you can charge a very small fee and then get commission off of that as well. You figure out what works best for you, and then you can go from there. So, online marketing agency, why not give it a try?
Now this one isn't as glamorous as the other ones. You can't necessarily work remote with this one, but this one does pay well and it does have its benefits. That is landscaping lawn care. So with that, you're going to have to go out and get the tools necessary. You should visit your local Home Depot or Lowe's, get a lawnmower, get a gas can, or buy an electric lawnmower and a long extension cord, or buy, if you're really going into it, buy a riding lawnmower. That's for those who are really going to get into the landscaping business. But if you want to start off small, go get yourself an electric or a gas lawnmower. They'll run you around $100 to $250, even more dollars, but you will be fine with just a basic $150 lawnmower. Get yourself a rake, and then some hedge clippers as well, an edger. Yep. And you can stay within $1,000 range with getting all of those things, and you can get quality, great brands for under $1,000 if you're trying to acquire all of that equipment. From there, you're just gonna go door to door and ask people if they need their lawn cut. You're gonna go through maybe 100 houses before you get to 2 or 3 people who actually wanna talk to you. But the more and more you do it, the better you get at selling yourself, the better you get at making that initial sale. And once you get your first one, that feels so glorious, you're ready to go out to 100 more houses and do it again. And then from there, you can establish a clientele, you can establish payment on a regular basis to where these people are paying you every week, every month, maybe 2 or 3 times a week to come to their home, cut their grass, edge their lawn, whatever it may be. And then sometimes you can get in with HOAs, home owners associations, and you can be the service for the entire block of houses and community of houses. And from there you get larger contracts and you get more money, and then that's where you start scaling, hiring out, buying more equipment, and becoming a very, very successful business owner. So again, it's not the most glamorous thing in the world, but it does pay well, and also you can scale your business eventually.
All right, guys, another great business you can start is being a social media manager or network manager. So essentially, all you're going to be doing is managing influencers' network. So you're going to be managing all their platforms, whether it be Instagram, TikTok, even Facebook. You're going to manage their platforms for them and bring them value. You're going to be in the comments, engaging. You're going to be giving them topics to come up with. You're essentially going to be their assistant / right hand or left hand man or girl, right? So what you want to do is always leave a value. If you want to DM 100+ influencers, say, hey, do you need help with anything? Hey, do you need me to do something? Do you need this? Do you need that? Just think about what would a social media influencer really need. They may need someone to like comments. They may need someone to answer emails. So you want to approach it as, how can I help this person continue to improve and build their business? Now, like anything, the first month or so, you might not get paid how you think you should get paid. So you always want to show your value first, and then you can come up with a higher offer for your services. So just something to consider. I know it's not as glamorous as others, but just something to consider. Being a social media manager or a network manager, and you can build your network from there and make it work.
So maybe you have expertise in a certain subject or a certain area of work, or for an example, maybe you are an expert in social media, or you can speak multiple languages, or maybe you were just really good at geometry. Becoming an online tutor is a great way to earn extra income. And the way you can go out and get jobs is you can visit websites like Fiverr, where you can advertise yourself and your skill set, and then people will come to you and ask you advice on that subject, and they can hire you to be their tutor. Another great site is Indeed and also freelancer.com. And those are great places to advertise your skills and then have people come to you for advice and then also tutoring.
So think about it, guys. No matter what you're good at, you may know Spanish, you may know German, you can be good at sciences, math, engineering, editing, whatever it may be. Someone needs your expertise. All right? You may not be the grand master of it, but you can at least seek out opportunity and help someone become better at something, and they'll appreciate you for that. Once again, with these businesses that we tell you guys to start, all you're doing is exchanging value. Exchanging value, right? Someone sees value in what you do. Let's say you know a language that they don't know. They appreciate you, and they're going to exchange that value for currency. So just something to think about, guys. Online too. All right, guys. Another great business to start during the recession is copywriting. So what is copywriting, you may ask? All copywriting is persuading someone to buy with your words. So essentially, you want to identify online marketers, online sellers, identify their product pages, and see where you can improve the product pages to become more persuasive so a customer can buy. That's all you're doing with copywriting. So another great way to get into copywriting is through books and tutorials. So guys like Dan Kennedy and all these other online marketers are great examples of copywriters. So think about it from the sense of infomercials, right? All an infomercial is getting you persuaded to buy. So copywriting is a great career to look into. Look up books by Dan Kennedy, Russell Brunson. These guys are really great copywriters initially. That's how they got into what they're doing now. So copywriting is a great business start during the recession. Once again, all you're doing is exchanging value for currency. So you can help a business do more business, you'll do business. So think about that. Copywriting, a great business to start during the recession.
So this one's gonna take a high volume of clients, but a great source of income, a great business to start is a thumbnail creator. And a thumbnail creator is a person who designs thumbnails for video content. And have you ever watched a YouTube video? And have you ever seen the captions on the title page? That is a thumbnail. And people are paid for designing thumbnails. Maybe you have a degree in graphic design. Maybe you're studying graphic design. Maybe you just need some extra money and you're handy with Photoshop. Becoming a thumbnail creator is a great source of income. You can charge anywhere from $5 to $15 to even $25 a pop. So that's why you'll need a high volume number of clients, but it's a great way to earn extra cash, and it's a great business to start because there are a lot of video creators out there. There's a lot of social media marketers and social media promoters that need that content and need that help. It's a great start to earning some extra money.
As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe below, and let us know what you think. Let us know you appreciate this information. Let us know some jobs that we may have missed. Remember, as always, live adventurously, world is yours.